Juliet November 45 November Kilo. How do you copy? PY1 Alpha X-ray IK2 SAI over.
Roger, Roger, Italy Kilo 2 Sierra Alpha India, Italy Whiskey 2, Italy Lima Quebec, Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray returning. I copy you very good, okay? 5x9. Okay, Tibor, I copy your name, Tibor. My name is Tony, Tango Oscar November Yankee. I am in Golf 87, Quebec Bravo. Perdón por no parlo italiano, mucho tiempo que no parlo italiano. Mia ragazza es italiana, ok, me gusta mucho la pene arrabbiata, ok, Tobor, Italy Kilo 2, Sierra Alpha India, comenta está correcto, Papa Yankee 1, America X-Ray, 59, adelante Italia.
Italiano eccellente, Antonio, complimenti e molto bene per la ragazza italiana. Un abbraccio fortissimo, 73, e ti lascio in compagnia di Fabrizio, il W2, India Lima Quebec, 73, Antonio, a presto, grazie per il collegamento. By the way, il locator è Juliet November 45 November Kilo. Japan November 45 November Kilo, il mio locator. Ciao Antonio, 73 by Fabrizio, ILQ, Italy Kilo to Sierra Pine, cambio. Sì, molto bene, ciao Tibor, ci sentiamo dopo. Antonio, thank you very much for the question, grazie. Ti ho messo sul log il microfono a te, Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-Ray, IW2, India Lima Quebec.
Ok, Italy Whiskey, Italy Kilo 2 Sierra Alpha India, Italy Whiskey 2 India Lima Quebec, Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-Ray. Ok, Fabrizio, muchas gracias, Tibor, muchas gracias, Happy New Year, ok? 73, un abrazo, hasta la vista, buonasera Italia, grazie de Brasile, Papa Yankee 1, America X-Ray, ciao ciao.
Perfetto Antonio, grazie, ciao, buona pomeriggio per te. 73, a risentirci sul satellite. Qo-100 Station calling, Italy Whiskey 2, India Lima, Quebec. Oscar Echo 3, Charlie Delta Whiskey, Pono Sierra.
Aí, o negócio não para. Vamos ver se a gente faz outro contato. Aqui é uma estação que eu já trabalhei, ela está portátil na Espanha, Eco Charlie 3 Tango Zulu. Eu quero ver o grid, eu já trabalhei ele, Juliette. O pileup está imenso dele, quer ver? Ah, peguei agora. Japão Mike 09 Alpha X-Ray. Olha o pileup dele, ó. Ó, aqui. Ó. Esse é o pileup aqui no satélite, tá vendo? Ele tá aqui, ó. Tá vendo? Aí eu boto aqui, ó. Eu vou pegando os caras ali. Eu tô procurando uma estação. Só tá por aqui. Vou dar uma pausa aqui e já volto. America X-Ray, do you copy over?
Capital of Austria, within a great locator, Juliet, November 77 Oscar, Juliet, November 77 Oscar, Juliet, Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-Ray, Oscar Echo 6, Sierra, Quebec Delta, listening.
Ok, Oscar Echo 6, Sierra, Quebec Delta, Papa Yankee 1, America X-Ray. Very good afternoon, Andy. I think it's good evening, huh? Okay, in Austria. Here is still daylight, it's raining a lot. Okay, my name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. Tony is my name. The grid located is Golf 87 Quebec Bravo. Golf 87 Quebec Bravo. I'm 100 kilometers north of the Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, South America. Elevation very low, only 6 grids elevation. I'm very close to the ocean. Okay, that's why elevation very low here for me. But it's good because in my east side is clear. Okay, Andy. So that's why I copy you 5x9, no problem. I'm only 1 watt, okay. Upper converter is DX Patrol. First version, going UHF, 70 centimeters. My antenna is dish, off-center dish, 80 centimeters. And the feed point I'm using helix, 3 rings and a half. That's my working condition. And a Chinese amplifier. And down converter LNB with PLL, the normal from TV cable coming to my RTL SDR console. Okay, Andy? Very good copy. It's raining a lot here in Rio. Okay, temperature is comfortable, but it's raining a lot. It's 26 degrees Celsius. Oscar Echo 6, Sierra, Quebec Delta. How is the weather in Austria today? Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, over.
Roger, Tony, very fine. Thank you for your information for your station. Tony, I had my first question on December 16th, December 2021. Have you had the first question with you in the evening? Hi. Okay, Tony, very fine. It's a new station here. This is ICOM 9700. And 80 telemeter dish in this moment, and helix antenna with octagon LMP full size, full duplex, the station for Papa Echo 1, Romeo Alpha Hotel. This is a box and in the outside, and it's very fine here. This is for 6 days have you this equipment here yet. Tony, very fine. The weather here in Austria, we have a sunny day. I'm living on 640 meters high, and in the mountains. The mountains around at 1,700 meters. And we have had in the morning have minus 5 degrees in the outside, minus 5 degrees, and in this moment have minus 2 grades in the outside. This moment, little snow, 2 centimeters snow in my side here. Tony, back to you.
Okay. Very good information. Thank you very much, Andy. Andy, for the information about your station and the weather. You are in mountains, beautiful, snowboarding. Okay, very good skiing. Okay, have fun. Okay, good. Here we have fun on the waves. Okay, my friend. So many thanks, Andy, for the second QSO review. Very pleasure to this contact. I'm looking for the award from Oscar November Belgium 75 award. I'm looking to have these stations, but I turn around and didn't copy anybody and see you calling the X. I have to stop to say hello and Happy New Year to you. Okay, all the best, and I hope to catch you again, and have a nice weekend. Okay, my friend Andy. All the best, my friend. Thank you very much for the very sympathetic QSO. Oscar Echo 6, Sierra Quebec Delta from Papa Yellow 1, America X-ray. All the best, 73, and it...
Roger, Tony. Thank you for your greetings. Very fine. Okay. Here in Austria, it's at the mountains and snow. Have your snow coming in the late day, and we have more snow here. Okay, Tony, I wish you all the best. You and your family have a nice weekend.
Acho que eu não filmei esse, hein?
Ssb Satelite